What starts as mild discomfort can turn into constant pain, sleepless nights, and fear of surgery. Many people with slipped disc worry about surgery, recovery time, and long-term risks. A slipped disc, also called a herniated disc, happens when the spinal disc bulges out and presses on nearby nerves. Poor posture, aging, injuries, and lifestyle habits are common reasons behind slipped disc. Pain may spread to the legs, with numbness, weakness, and difficulty walking. Though effective in some cases, surgery can involve long recovery, complications, and stress. Modern regenerative therapies focus on healing damaged tissues naturally. Stem cells are collected, processed, and injected into the damaged area to support tissue repair and reduce inflammation. This minimally invasive approach may reduce pain, improve mobility, and support faster recovery. Patients with mild to moderate slipped disc looking to avoid surgery may consider this option after expert evaluation. Proper aftercare, posture, and physiotherapy enhance recovery outcomes. Slipped disc treatment is evolving. If you are exploring non-surgical options for slipped disc or chronic back pain, consulting with a qualified specialist can help you understand whether regenerative therapies are the right choice for your condition. Can a slipped disc heal without surgery? Yes, many cases improve with non-surgical treatments, including physiotherapy and regenerative therapies. Is stem cell therapy safe for back pain? It is generally considered safe when performed by qualified professionals, but outcomes may vary. Are there any side effects? Side effects are usually minimal but may include temporary discomfort at the injection site. Is regenerative medicine a permanent cure? It aims to provide long-term relief, but results are not guaranteed. How long does recovery take? Recovery is typically faster than surgery, though timelines differ for each patient.